So guys, nandito tayo sa Albarcia ulit. Magche-check tayo ng carrier aircon. This one is carrier aircon. The problem is when the thermostat is on, the ELCB section 2 will trip. So we will check the compressor line and the fan motor which is defective. Okay, I'll put this one here. You can check what's the problem. I will put my cellphone here so we can see and diagnose. Natakpan na si Dudong. Just relax. Relax, you're in hurry. You're in hurry. You're in hurry.
That's why I'll come here.
You see many aircon here? I check one by one. Yeah. I told you just wait there. No need to come here.